really was searching worldwide, globally, for a wall like this. The main idea on my side, of course, was bring a new format in and have a good time with the climbers. Just 1 week here in Ticino, where I think one of the best places for climbing in the Alps.
My name is Marcel Baer. I'm the brand manager for Hilti. My first impression was just, wow, what an amazing location. In our eyes, this dual ascent race actually combines two exceptional challenges. In forefront, very clearly, a climbing race. What an amazing thrill a side-by-side race must be for the climbers and everyone watching it. But in the background, not less amazing, the job the installation crew has to do to actually get the climbing routes installed in that dam. The thing about concrete is it gets harder by time. And after 60 years of curing, this wall is a beast. Being a bit of a hobby climber myself, I know how tough it is to actually hang in the wall all day, often in awkward positions. But in the difference to them, I didn't have 11,000 holes to drill. So when you're up there in the wall, you need the highest drilling performance, so you spend less time in awkward positions. In addition to that, you're also very exposed. So having 200 meters of air underneath you, you actually need the best gear possible with the best safety features and handling to maximize your safety. We also started to think whether it was possible to already provide the crew with the latest battery generation, which wasn't even available at the time, but would deliver less recharging, and also the crew could take the same battery for all the tools up there, and therefore you save quite a lot of weight.
I'm a climber, but I'm also a route setter, so setting and putting codes on the wall is one passion, climbing is another, mixture is the best, so yeah, all good. I mean, there is big mixture of materials inside the dam, and there are some stones inside which we were able to drill, but it was really hard. Since the first day when we started setting, we used the Hilti tools, and it was really good. We had no issues, battery lasts long, and it was absolutely fantastic to work with it.
The routes were just awe-inspiring. And in this scenery, embedded in this beautiful landscape, I mean, that was actually one of the main reasons why we wanted to be part of that and support Red Bull with the Dual Ascent event. Because it actually brings something, one of the most exciting parts of climbing, being in nature, into an area where it is accessible for people to watch in a very sustainable way. The collaboration with the whole Red Bull team was amazing, and we're looking forward to something like that again.